welcome to my vlog. Today, Kenji and my mom is gonna draw a drawing battle. I will show my mom and my Kenji. Say hi. Ayo, hi. And Kuya Enjo is watching One Piece. And I am the judge in Kuya Enzo and Kenji. Watch her. Oh, sulat already. Draw. Oh, I give you a 0 out of 50. I be the judge for today's video. Sana mapanood nyo to. Po. Bata pa lang ako, nagbablog na po ako. 6 pa lang ako, si Kenji 7. Pipikit lang ako. Sabihin nyo kung tapos na kayo. Handle mo sa akin. Just changing my quit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can continue. Pagtapos lang mag-drawing, doon lang manonood. Who's done? I'm almost done. How about you, Ma?
There you go. Now keep it up, just like I said.
Luffy.
He's almost there. Come on.
The part of the... Never mind. Bo.
Sa baba na yung food. Let's go downstairs.
Mag-drawing battle na lang kayo sa baba.
Go downstairs. Bring your paper.
Who's gonna use this?
Yeah, bring your pen.
Ken. Guys, we're gonna go downstairs to eat some.
Come here. For your slippers.
Wear your slippers and... Oh, it's getting dark now, guys. Mama.
Let's go.
Wait for me!
Careful, careful ah. Walang tatak.
Excuse me.
Careful. Ayan, ayan.
Sagisa naman tayo dyan.
Oo, tigisa.
Nag-aago lang tayo na sa ano. Hindi. Okay. Are we gonna eat first? Hindi, ito lang. Oy. Ito siya. Maganda itong pinili ko. Ito sa... Oh, sige. Guys, we're gonna eat... Guys, we're gonna eat some ice cream. This is cookie and cream. We'll go eat now. More like Oreo and cream. Cookies and cream. It's more like Oreos and cream. That's because look at the cookies. It's color black. Ano, Joey? Yeah. Pwede pala tayo mag-badminton dyan, ah. Oh.
Ang ganun.
Tawa. Lamig. Wow, gusto nyo? Why all I can eat is ice cream soup?
Wala.
Wala mo pa. Ha? At saka bawal yung sa kidney. Andito pala kay ka. Wala nanay mo. Wala na sa resort.
Nandun.
Bakit di kayo sinama?
Hindi siya matuto.
Hindi ka ganun na. Napabantay.
Kailangan ano ito? Hindi
Ano yung pagkain nyo?
Hindi siya uwi.
Napabantay siya.
Pero okay na yung
Wag ko ba?
umalis na.
Hindi ko alam.
Alin?
Nandun.
Alin nandiyan?
Baka malis ka kasi meron silang guest eh.
Oo, may gusto. Oh, sarap naman.
Diba?
Gusto mo, Lola? Gusto mo, Lola?
Hindi siya. Sarap.
Wait, guys. I'm coming right back. Guys, I'm coming right back.
Ha? Saan galing?
Wala nga doon. Ko lang
Hindi ko alam. Baka
Bakanan ko ng tubig.
Nandiyan din yun sa araw pa.
Wala. Papauna ko nga kanina to. Wala.
Why all I can eat is ice cream soup?
Hi, Mayang. Say hi to Ate Mayang. Say hi.
Why? Ken,
Sa 19 pala kaya ni sis.
Ha?
19.
parang ikaw na lang
Ito
nila.
may 19.
Kay Tito Gwapo.
Sabi alis na. Sabi ni King.
Nandiyan ba na siya?
Alis na kami po ito. Alis to. Sabi ko, matutuyo naman yan sa araw. Hindi, 19 na kami alis.
Oh! Ay! Ay! Careful! Ay, sorry.
Doon mo kasi lagay. Doon mo kasi. Ang cellphone ni Karen eh.
Sayang. Aya ka, 5 man.
Ha?
Naka-video.
Yayain mo sila, 5 man.
Hindi, nakausap siya.
Alam mo, ang ganda mo talaga. Ang sexy talaga ni Ate Joy, no? Ang sexy ni Ate Joy talaga.
Lumayo
Ganda
ka.
niya, ang ganda.
Lumayo kayo sa akin 1 kilometro.
Pagat mo na.
Ayok.
Oh. Isa pa. Lobot siya, dinudugang mo kami tita na. Higitin mo tita. Nanay Joy? Ma? Nanay Joy? Ma? Kasi sama ko dito. Magbablog ako.
Bagulat pala si akin boy.
Iinggitin ko kayo guys.
Wala!
Iinggit ko kayo guys. Gusto mo? Stand there. Stand there. Then stand here. You see that, guys? Oh! Don't touch my ball! How dare you?
Alam mo ba, nakakamatay yan.
Yung ano?
Pagkahawak ng ano nyo.
Kaya gusto ka na. Huwag ka. Hindi ka masali. Guys.
Para talaga to si Zoro tsaka si ano. Son. Lagi nag-aaway.
No, I can't eat ice cream soup. Why short kings exist? Short kings exist. I'm a short king. No, you're not. You're not a short king. I'm a short king. I'm a short king. No, I'm a short king. Hello, I'm 1 month old. Hello, I'm 1 month old. Hello, I'm 2 months old. No. Hello, I'm a baby. Help me. means you're 0 minutes old.
I'm a newborn.
That means you're...
Sarap naman niya. Ah,
Ang sawap! Ang sawap! Ang makdo! Guys!
Kala ko ba?
Why? Guys! I want to eat...
Fresh
Awa.
option.
Decided na ako pupunta sa ibang bansa. I want to taste the Grimace shake!
Store. Fresh option.
Guys, I'm bringing with you.
Rinig ko eh. Ang some patient. Okay.
Parehas ko. Guys,
what's up, guys?
today I'll show our fishes.
Today, I'm gonna show you.
This is my little fishes. This is Rose. And this is the other fishes. And this is dark and this is dark. And this is the dark too. And there's a skeleton there. And there's more here and more here. May naman dito. Yeah.
We have now.
Yeah, guys. Bye-bye. Why did you start without me? Why did you start the video without me? What's up?
Why did you start without Kenji?
This is my only video of
Kenji is your guest. You can be-
Today my guest is Tito Guapo. How about me?
Not a guest.
This is my guest.
Yeah,
And
hello,
this
what's
my
up, guys? Welcome to Zion the Lion vlog.
Wait.
So shout out to my best friend here, Kenji. Shout out to my only son here,
Hello.
Inso Boy, and my
I'm
also friend here, Zion the Lion.
I'm also a YouTuber.
Yeah, yes. Oh, Zion. But guys, by the way, my best friend is also a YouTuber. Please like and follow, subscribe. His YouTube. What's your YouTube's name?
Kenji Kyle Arcaro.
Go, shout it. Plug it.
Kenji Kyle Arcaro.
Yeah, thank you guys.
That's my real name, the full name.
Yeah.
Unsubscribe. Unsubscribe to him.
Unsubscribe to Kenji. Please, no.
No, I said unsubscribe to you.
Unsubscribe to you. No, you. No, you. You. Guys, don't. Please subscribe. Ma, palit ko yung account ko sa YouTube, Dime Zion. Dime Zion na lang.
Ayusin ko susunod.
Ayun na. Ito pa, why is it not allowed to ride a whale shark? Why is it not allowed to ride a whale shark? Absolutely, a real one. Why is it not allowed to... Why is it not... Tito Guapo, why is it not... Why is it... Tito Guapo, why is it not allowed to ride a whale shark? Bawal sa akin. Ay, sorry. Patikim. Try na lang. Oh, thank you. May naman pa. Tapan mo, ah. Can I drink some? I'm thirsty. Guys! Tomorrow, we're gonna prank somebody.
Wow.
I'm not gonna tell his name. Yeah.
Please tell us his name na.
Later.
No, na.
Don't say to somebody, Kuya Tito Guapo, okay?
Okay.
This is our secret. Even me. No.
Who's that? Who's gonna, who's,
Don't tell it to somebody.
Okay.
Tito. It's our secret too. No. Only Tito Guapo and me. No, it's also me.
Yeah, It's also Kenji.
Boo!
Let's count Kenji
letter-
again.
It's in my school.
Mm.
Yeah, it's in my school.
Stacy?
No. No.
Nathan?
No.
Eva?
No. Cody?
Cody?
No.
Zion?
No.
That's all I know. I don't know your classmate.
Raiden? No. Raven? No. Yung babae na Raiden? Hindi. Those said to somebody, okay? Ezekiel?
Whoa!
Me?
Whoa!
No. Bakit sa akin? Hindi ko
It's you! Because it's secret, so it's you.
Yeah. And not
Shut
Ken.
up.
No. Not.
Your special guest, the YouTuber!
No. It's not Kenji. What is it? There's one more. Two. Oh, Frank. Correct is Kenji and
There's still one. Wow! You still have another guest
You.
in your YouTube.
you know Cody. Kuya Enzo.
Okay, good.
Dito ka po.
It's perfect. Sini.
I got a Mickey Mouse pajama.
Wow! Ready na.
This is my pink Mickey Mouse damit and pink Mickey Mouse ang pajama.
Wow, ganda. Sana all.
Oh! And
Pajama namin, wala.
Wala
Walang
pa.
ganyan. Gusto ko rin yan to. Mickey Mouse pajama.
damit.
Ay, nasa na yung Mickey Mouse ko dito? Na, isda.
Dito yata.
Dito. I wonder where are they now?
Ah,
Are
madilim
they
ko.
still alive?
Wait, I'll turn out the flashlight.
Are they still alive?
Let's go look.
Ayun yata.
There it
Ayun
is.
sila, ayun. Ayun, yung isa. Nasaan yung isa?
Dito ko
Yes.
Is there someone following me?
Someone?
Following me. Look behind me.
No, there's nothing.
Oh, the internet is lying to you pala.
Mm-mm. Yes, it is.
Just wait. Is it done na, Gwapo?
Hindi pa. Teka lang.
Baka na.
Nasaan yung isa kaya? Isa lang yun. Isa yun.
Bakit?
Dalawa yan eh.
Ayun yung isa.
Mickey Platy. Ito isa, you know. Nag-iisa na lang siya.
Nahanap niya yung partner niya.
That's two of them. Where's the other one?
Ano
Gusto
na?
ko nga lang tingnan tayo.
Okay.
Thank you.
Guys, in 5 minutes, I will end this video. Guys, in 5 minutes, I will end this video. How about me? Hey, guys, did you finish your drawing on this?
No. Masyado mahaba yung video mo. Ay, wala na yan.
Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.